my dear children. Hope you all are staying healthy and safe at home. Welcome back to your social studies class, children. Today, let us go for the remaining part of your lesson, people in our lives. In the previous class, children, we had learnt about our teachers, the doctor, the police. Yes or no, children? Yes, today remaining one part is there, that is the postal worker. In the previous lesson, you had already learnt about postal worker. Yes or no, children? The postal worker. We read in an earlier lesson that we can send and receive messages through the postal services. But how does it all happen? So in the previous lesson, you had already learned that we can send and receive the messages through the postal. Yes or no, children? Yes, but how does it all happen? So let us learn how does it will happen. Understood, children? Yes. The main link between the post office and us is the postal worker. The postal worker collects letters from the post boxes and takes them to the local post office. So there is a link between the post office and us is we have a main link, no children, that is between post office and us is because of postal worker. Understood? The postal worker collect letters from the post boxes and takes them to the local post office. So what do the postman do, children? This person collects the letters from the post boxes. We are going to put the letters in the post box, right, children? From there he is going to collect the letters and he is going to take them to the local post office. Means there will be a post office in each village or in the towns and all. No, they will go to the post office and he will give them. Here, all the letters are sorted out according to their addresses. There, what happens? All the letters have been sorted out. Means they will sort out. They are then sent to post offices in those places. So then they are then sent to post offices in those places. So they sort out those letters and then sent to the post offices in their places. In their places there will be post office, no children. They are going to send those letters to those post offices. Understood? The postal workers in those post offices deliver these letters. So the postal worker means the postman in those post offices, he will take the letters and he will deliver those letters. Understood? They also deliver parcels and money orders. They also deliver the parcels which has been sent, children, and also money orders will be. Understood? That also they deliver. Got it? In villages, there may be just one postal worker. So in villages and all, there will be only one postman, right? Always he will be coming. Big cities and towns have many post offices with many postal workers. Whereas in big cities and towns, children, there will be many post offices and also many postal workers also. Understood? Each postal worker delivers in a fixed area. So each postman delivers in a fixed area. Means they will be given a particular area. In that area only they are going to deliver the post. Heat, cold or rain, nothing stops the postal workers from doing their duty. So there will be heat, means it will be very hot, right, children? And some of the days it will be very cold, and also some of the days it will be raining, right, children? So nothing will stop him to do his duty. Means whatever it is there, we should just deliver the letters, right, children? Yes. So the next time you see a postal worker, greet her or him with a smile. So next time, children, if you see any postal worker or postman, so what you're going to do, children? You just greet them with a smile. So just give him a smile. Got it, children? Hope you all have understood this chapter, children. Did you all understood about postal worker? Yes, children. Now let us go for the exercise part here. The next page, page number 75, children. To whom will the following go for help? If something happens, we go for the help, right, children? So let us see. First one, Konika wants to get a uniform stitched. To whom we go to stitch, children? Tailor. The tap in John's bathroom is leaking. So if the tap is leaking, whom does we call children? Plumber. Apokla has suffered a serious burn. So she has a serious burn. So whom should we meet, children? We go to doctor, right? Yes. Ali's car has broken down. So he had some repair in his car. Something is wrong with his car. So where does he take his car, children? To a mechanic. And Gurpreet needs to get her shoe repaired. So her shoe is been tore or something. So it should be repaired. So where does she go? She goes to cobbler. Understood? Yes, children. Next one is right, true, or false. Big towns and cities have only one post office. Do big towns and cities have only one post office, children? No, it's false. A mobile dispensary moves from village to village. True. A doctor for animals is called a vet. True. Postal workers help to find missing people. Do postal workers help to find missing people, children? No. False. Our teachers teach us to read and write. Yes, your teachers teaches you to read and write, children. Yes, true. Yes, children. Answer the following questions I'll be giving you in the WhatsApp, children. Yes, hope you all have understood. Sorry, once again, one more main is there, your multiple choice questions. In India, Teachers' Day celebrates the birthday of whose birthday is Teachers' Day celebrated, children? Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Yes, tick that one. So children, after collecting the letters from the letter box, the postal worker, what he'll do? He'll take the letters to the post office. Understood? Yes. Then they will sort out there and later on it will be delivered to the addresses given. Got it, children? Yes. People who control traffic are called traffic police. Understood? A doctor who treats sick and injured animals is a veterinary doctor. Understood, children? Yes. Hope you all have understood this chapter and do all this exercise part, children. And later on, I'll be giving your notes. Question and answers in your WhatsApp, children. Yes. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.